Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Iknoor. So here I have created this very easy Karva Chauth look. If you like it, so you can keep on watching this video. I've already concealed my eyes using a concealer from Savannah and I'm setting it up using a loose powder from Lakme. This eyeliner pen I have bought from Amazon. If you want to buy it, you can check it out. I will leave the link down below. There are many such pens available there. It's very easy to apply an eyeliner using these kind of pens. Especially winged one. So this is a palette from Lakme 925. Starting off using a green shade because it goes with my outfit also. This brush is from Naked Cosmetics. So this is a brownish golden shade. So this is a golden glitter. I have applied the same on my eyes and now I'm using this glitter because I did not like that shade too much. It was a little too light and I wanted something bright for this look. I've already applied kajal and I'm smudging it with this brush now. And this is the completed eye look. I've also applied mascara from Maybelline. So this is Lakme Absolute Serum Foundation with argan oil. And these brushes are from Star Cosmetics. I have ordered these also from Amazon only. I like its coverage a lot. It covers almost all of my dark spots and pigmentation. So this is by Savannah. Very affordable concealer. This also does the job pretty well, conceals all your dark spots or pigmentation spots and make your skin look a little brighter. Contouring. Blending it well is very important. This blush is by Sugar Cosmetics. It's a very pretty pink shade. So finally I'm highlighting my face using a eyeshadow only. You can use anything. I'm using a silver eyeshadow. This lipstick is by Maybelline. So finally my look is complete. Hope you enjoyed watching this video guys. If you did, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.